The XFC, a brand new compact SUV concept from Mitsubishi, is a sneak peek of a production model that will debut in ASEAN markets in 2023. Association of Southeast Asian Nations is referred to as ASEAN. The new model, which was unveiled in Ho Chi Minh City, the largest city in Vietnam, won't replace an existing model, rather it will be a new addition to the line. While many would like to see the Mitsubishi-engineered vehicle replace the ailing ASX, a Renault Captur that has been rebadged already serves this purpose in Europe. The XFC is a sharply styled SUV concept which, according to the brand, is in line with Robust Ingenious design philosophy. From the front, the concept features a split headlamp design, and as is the case with most new SUVs, it is likely that the production spec model will have daytime running lamps at the top and the main headlight unit below. In profile, it gets accentuated wheel arches and prominent rear haunches, and at the rear gets distinct T-shaped tail lamps, giving the concept a visual sense of width. Mitsubishi has placed a strong emphasis on practicality and simplicity while designing the XFC's interior, as it has multi-layered dashboard with a twin-screen setup being the highlight of the center console. The production-ready version is expected to feature more muted color option as compared to the showcased model's distinctive orange and white-colored cabin theme. According to Mitsubishi, the concept black interior has been built to provide the best possible rear seat room. The XFC concept takes styling cues from its alliance partner Renault, including the interior and dashboard layout. Flooding is an issue in the XFC's home region, so Mitsubishi gave it a good ground clearance and four-wheel drive modes. Drivers can choose between normal, wet, gravel and mud modes, and Mitsubishi says it developed the new wet mode specifically with Southeast Asian countries in mind. Mitsubishi didn't provide any engine or transmission to the XFC concept, so only when production versions surface, we may have an idea. The Mitsubishi XFC concept will be on display at the 2022 Vietnam Motor Show, which will take place from October 26 to October 30. The production version of the XFC will be available in ASEAN regions, including Vietnam, beginning in spring 2023.